Hello friends, welcome to Shaheen's Kitchen. Today I am going to make a simple salad with Chana Dal or Gram Dal. We don't have to cook it. I have soaked it for 3-4 hours and you can see it has soaked very nicely. It is breaking. And this is green coriander, this is green coriander leaves, green chilies according to taste, few mint leaves, wash them, cumin or zira, little bit of cumin or zira, plain salt and lemon juice. So we have to make a chutney, not a very fine, coarsely ground chutney of it, and cumin. Now see, I have prepared it. This is coarsely ground coriander leaves, mint leaves, cumin and green chilies. And now we have to just drain out the excess water in which we soaked our gram dal. And this is 1 cup of gram dal. And we have to grind this dal also coarsely. Just run for half a minute. Friends, it took just 5 to 10 seconds, not even half a minute to get this consistency. And this is very refreshing, very healthy. Add salt according to your taste. And all these things which we have used in it keeps our stomach cool from inside. And squeeze lemon juice and chill it. And Ramzans are going on and this is very healthy. You must make it.